you need money. And to keep the organization alive, we have to think of ways and means to have the funds. Of course, we thank Mayor Len for her generosity, because the money that Mayor Len gives to us as a group comes from her own. Hindi ito part ng budget ng local government, including Mayor Arlene.
I think also you're also giving some of the funds from your pocket.
Oh yeah, in all the talks I have given, I've talked in Cebu, then I've been invited by UST, UP, to the capital in Santa Cruz. Lahat ng mga ito, we do it for free and on my own expense. But that's just very little that we can give our group, myself, in contributing to the objective of the organization.
Aside from the funds, sir, what else do you think that some problems or challenges that you encounter?
Complacency. It is always complacency of the Filipinos. Dito walang pakialam kasi. And culture, for heaven's sake, is something, ano ba yun? Kasi nga wala na halos Ako, I've been doing my best to give my time and effort. But to be honest with you then, I've lost a lot of weight in the past months because of too much stress from all of this that I've been doing. And my friends were just telling, including my family, what are you doing? You don't get anything from this. Some people pa nga would think, siguro tatakbo yan ng government position or what? Ang gusto ko lang malaman nila, hindi. Bakit? Pwede naman tayo magtrabaho ng ganito nang wala naman tayong iniintay o anumang kapalit. Actually, I am being invited for an award. I don't even want it. I wanted to decline. Alam mo kung bakit? Dito sa kultura ng Pilipino, pag gano'n, parati na lang may titingin siya, dapat ako yan dapat hindi yan dyan. Tapos ito naman, mga ganito yan. Hindi pa tayo titigil doon? Yung bang magtulong-tulungan na lang kaya tayo kaysa tayo mag-isip ng gano'n. Yun yung ina-advocate ng cultural group na to. And knowing the past. Yung mga pagkakamali nung nakaraan, dapat...
So for that, sir, do you have any final words or any invitation to patronize or for other people to join your group? So, if I'm one of the listeners right now, so what can you say for me to join or to get involved in your group?
The group is open, of course, because we have the different departments for theater, for music, for visual arts. Everybody is welcome. You can just get in touch with us. We have a Facebook account, the United Artists for Cultural Conservation and Development. They could like the page. We have a website, but we have not yet fully developed that. Sabi ko nga siya, logistic-wise, we are always in need. Final word, get involved, siguro, then participate, yun nga. Like in the advocacy for saving the Alberto House, you just have to participate. And don't wait, I've always said to the group, dapat indispensable ba ang tawag? Dispensable pala. Lahat kami. I mean, hindi pwedeng pag nawala ako, wala na yung grupo. Dapat tuloy-tuloy yan. So that is what we have been working on. Ayoko nung magiging dependent kahit kanino. Kaya para sa mga nakikinig, kung tungkol sa Alberto, huwag nyo naman pong intensivein mo Santa Maria lang ang kumilos. Kasi we can all move and act together and we need help. Actually, kasi ang bigat ng kaso na yon, masyadong big time yung mga harap natin. And we are just but a small group of students, itong mga members ko. So, ang call ko talaga dyan, participate tayo. Let's love our identity as a Filipino. Pagiging proud natin, yung pagiging Filipino natin. Sa paraan, sa maraming bagay sa kultura. We've been members of OPM before then, and the organization ng mga Pilipino mga awit, they're running into a lot of troubles too. Kasi ang trend ng kabataan ngayon, puro mga foreign. So, paano kikita ang music industry natin? Wala nang masyadong nagpapatronize sa mga Filipino music. And paano mag-i-improve ang musikang Pilipino kung wala naman din nagpapatronize? Siyempre, sa lahat naman ng pagkilos natin, kailangan may pera. So I guess, yung mga sinabi ko, I hope I was able to open the minds of some people, of those people who are listening to your program, of realizing na may mga taong nagpakamatay para sa atin, nagbuwis ng buhay. Huwag naman natin sayangin. No? Tapos nung ang bahay nila Teodoro Alonso, bigla pang gigibayin, lilipat. Ito na nga mga alaala nila at matagal na silang patay. Pati naman ba yung mga alaala nila, papatayin pa rin natin. Eh ang mga alaalang ito, material man yan o struktura man yan, ang magpapaalaala sa atin, yan, si Teodora, sino siya, anong nakaraan, at anong mga pagkakamali. Let us try to correct our mistakes in the past. And I think with that, kung meron ng magagawa natin, may unad siguro nga talaga ang bayan ito. Pero habang nananatili tayong bulag at bingi sa ating nakaraan, at wala tayong pakialam sa mga ginagawa natin o ng ating mga kababayan, sa kung ano mga bagay na aspeto para sa kultura, para sa ating bansa, magtulungan tayo instead na magpintasan. It's culture, pero I'm sorry, I have gone into a lot of other things because as far as I'm concerned then, it all boils down to nationalism and identity as a true Filipino.
Okay. At very, very inspiring message coming from Dr. Santa Maria or Bimbo.
Bimbo lang. That's how they call me kasi all the time.
Yes. Once again, sir, thank you for giving your time, sharing more than yourself, and also about your group. Okay. So until next time, God bless everyone.